Jennifer at Home, and I'm super excited and happy you're here today for the Easter Tea Party collaboration. This collaboration is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, Jean Home Decor and More, Barbie Daily Rural Life in the Valley, May's Design Corner, and me, Jennifer at Home. All of these channels and more participating channels will be listed below. Be sure to check them out and don't forget to subscribe. Easter is almost here, and today I'm hosting a nice Easter tea with my friend. I have some tuna fish here in a bowl, and I'm going to add some sweet pickle relish. My friend and I love tuna fish sandwiches, and so that's what I'm going to make today. I'm going to add in some mayonnaise and some chopped pecans. I'll get this mixed up, and then I'm going to make some delightful little tea sandwiches. These sandwiches only take minutes to make, and they're so delicious. Now I'm just going to take a serrated bread knife, and I'm just going to trim off all of the crust. I'll cut the sandwich into triangles, and these will be the perfect little tea sandwiches to serve at my Easter tea today. I'm going to cut up some celery to have along with our wonderful little tea sandwiches. A big bowl of cut celery can almost look like a beautiful big flower. I've just put some cookies in the oven to bake, and I also have some wonderful little white chocolate mint candies. While our Easter sugar cookies are baking, I'm going to go ahead and get the table set. I have a beautiful green and white tablecloth. I've chosen a color theme today of green, white, and pink. It'll be perfect for my Easter tea. These beautiful little bunny plates with pink and green designs will be perfect for the salad that I'm serving today at my tea. This pretty green cake plate will be perfect for my little tea sandwiches. The celery is also such a beautiful shade of green to go with our tea. And of course, our candy mints will be an extra special little treat. And now I'm ready for my very special Easter tea with my very best friend. I cannot wait to get those cookies out of the oven. They smell amazing. I'll let them cool and get them iced. And everything is ready and set. We'll have such a fun time today visiting and talking and catching up as we eat our little tea sandwiches and then have our special dessert afterwards. I am so happy you were here. I had such a wonderful time putting together this beautiful Easter tea party. I would be so happy if you check out all of the other channels listed in this collaboration. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Happy Easter!